Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about dog spurt and products reviews which is grabbing a lot of attention in the United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So guys, after hearing about the topic which is dog spurt and products reviews, the first thing which hits our mind is what is this topic all about? So, Dogspurton is a veteran owned company where all the products are made with natural ingredients. This particular website sells various types of products such as ointment for ribs, tears, scrapes, cuts, etc. This website also deals with soaps and scrubs, beard products, skincare products, pet care products, etc. Now let's check the payment method available on this particular website. So this particular website accepts Amazon Pay, Google Pay, JCB, MasterCard, Visa, etc. As you can see guys. So now let's move to the shipping and delivery policy. For that we need to click into the shipping and return section. So it says expect a delivery within 2 to 4 business days unless we have inventory issues. You will be notified should it be longer than expected. So this is the delivery or shipping policy mentioned. Now, before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. This particular website is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign here. Talking about the domain name registration, this website has been registered on 30th September 2015 and is registered till 2025. So friends, this website has been registered quite years ago, so it's a positive remark here. Now let's check the About Us section, friends. So in the About Us section, the whole mission and vision and their offerings are mentioned, as well as the details of the owner of this website is mentioned, hence it's a positive remark here. Now let's check the Contact Us section, friends. So in the Contact Us section, an email address is given, which is info@dogspurton.com. Phone number is present, and their physical address is also present, which is a positive remark here, friends. Now, talking about the social media presence, this website has got good social media presence. An account has been found in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. And it has got its products in Amazon, where it has got 4.6 stars out of 5 through the customers and 5 out of 5 stars on Facebook, which is a positive sign here. Now talking about the reviews have been found in the website, let's check few of those. Let's go to the reviews section to check the reviews on this particular website. So in this particular products, it's given, the first review is cut my hand doing some plumbing, use the ointment twice a day for 4 days, all healed up. Another reviews, I love how I smell so good all day. The scent is amazing and it lasts. So these are the few reviews on this particular website. Now, few reviews has been found on Amazon on its product. One of the customer said, I tore on a Friday during doing CrossFit. Haven't done that in over a year. The only thing I used was this dog Spartan, and OMG, I have never had a rip or tear in both hands. Healed so quickly. Highly recommended this product. So few reviews has also been found on Facebook. A customer said, "Thank you, Doc Spartan, for the quick shipment of my combat ready ointment that was accidentally left out of my order and ink it right." Another customer said, "Great stuff from small cuts burns to cracked up lips. It is my pocket every day." So now let's check the return policy available on this particular website. So for return policy, it is given, if you find yourself not happy with what we received, please email at this info with your order number and what you need. We will then email you a printable return label. Once we receive the product back from you, we will issue you a refund or exchange. So now the quality and content of the website, it is only with 29% plagiarized and less number of duplicate images has been used, with less spelling errors and grammatical mistakes. On the basis of the positive customer reviews on the products and its good social media presence and good customer reviews on its product from Amazon and Facebook, this website seems to be genuine. Still, I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on such websites. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, guys, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.